Hello everyone. In today's video, let's go to Karbi Anglong. My name is Jitu and you are watching another episode of Suti Golpo. So few days back, I went to Karbi Anglong and stayed with the locals of this small village called Hambong Inghi. Believe me, staying with these lovely people was one of the best experiences I had till now. From there, I traveled to few very beautiful places and I will be making a couple of more videos to show you this place. But today's video will be a little different. During my stay in the village, I got a chance to attend one of the local festivals. This festival is called Rongkher and I will show you few clips of the festival, and along with it, I will give you few information regarding the festival as well. The festival is held at a common place of the village and people from the village gather at this place from the morning to start preparing for the festival. Rongkher is an annual wintertime festival of merriment observed by the Karbi people of Assam. It is usually observed at the beginning of Karbi New Year, but different villages may observe it at different times depending entirely on their convenience. Please be advised, as part of the rituals, there will be few clips of animal sacrifice, and if you are not comfortable with these type of clips, then you can skip this video. I spoke with the head priest of the village who told me few things about the festival. So let's hear it from him first, and I will be adding few information from my experience as well.
More gaon Hambong Inghi gaon. Aji 5 তারিখে নতুন বছর বুলি আমি কব পাৰো আমি নতুন বছৰকে ধৰি লৈছো গটিকে সকলো ৰাইজৰ আমাৰ গাঁওখনৰ 100 ঘৰ আছে 100 প্ৰজা আছে সেই সকলৰ পৰা সমালোচনা কৰি আমি যি এমুঠি চাউল হলেও এটা মুৰ্গী হলেও পূৰ্বৰ পৰা যিটো নিয়ম চলি আহি আছে সেই নিয়মতে আমি আজিও তেনেকে ধৰণৰ আমি কাম কৰিছো.
This festival is observed in order to appease the local deities associated with the welfare of the village and the harvest of crops, and also to get rid of all the evil happenings. Earthen altars against all the deities are installed in the eastern side of the site where the festival is to be held. A gourd with tapering mouthful of the first made rice beer is placed on the altars.
তাতে যেন ঘৰখনৰ সকলোৱে লৰা ছোৱালী তেওঁলোকৰ শান্তি ৰাখিবৰ কাৰণে ঘৰৰ পৰা মতা চৰাই আনিবলৈ দিও. ইয়াতে মই পূজা কৰিম কৰে আৰু মই যিটো ভগৱানৰ নাম মাতি পেলাই সেই পূজাটো সেই চৰাইটো কাটিবলৈ দি আমি চৰাইটো কেনেকুৱা বাগৰিছে কেনেকৈ হেৰি হৈছে সেইটো ৰূপটো লৈ পেলাই বছৰে বছৰে সেইটো কোনোবাই সবেইটো ভাল হ'ব নোৱাৰে কিন্তু কাচিত দুই এজন থাকে কিন্তু সেইটো বেমাৰ আজাৰ লৈ পেলাই কিবা এটা পৰামৰ্শ কৰি পেলাই পূজা পাতৰ আগভাগ কৰি পেলাই ভাল হৈ যায়.
Sacrifices are made in the name of the deities, and the religious specialist predicts the future of the village at the heart and intestine of the sacrificed animals. Offerings are also made at the river of the village, as it has been providing the village people from a long time. Once the rituals are over, the village people prepare a meal together and the feast is held towards the end. The female folk from the village are not allowed in this festival.
এটা কি আছে এটা
কিবা লাও বনাইছে
লাও পানী আছে না
The village people invited me for the feast as well, and a special homemade rice beer was offered to me as a sign of respect for the guest. They also honored me towards the end of the festival, for which I will be forever thankful.
আৰু যদি ক'বলগীয়া আছে বহুতে আছে কিন্তু সেইখিনি হিষ্ট্ৰী আকৌ বহুত লম্বা হ'ব সময়ৰ কথা আছে আৰু অলপ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিলোঁ পূজাৰী যেতিয়া গতিকে সেইখিনি নকওঁ আৰু পিছত আমি লগ পাই পেলাই আকৌ আপোনালোকক ভাল হিষ্ট্ৰী আকৌ কৈ দিম দেই
ঠিক আছে
ধন্যবাদ
ধন্যবাদ
নমস্কাৰ
And thus the annual Rongkher festival of the village came towards an end. At night, there were special programs organized where the village people can gather and have fun together. Well, that's all for today's video. In our next video, we will take you to different places in Karbi Anglong. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.